What if I were to tell you that this entire wall of patterns behind me is absolutely free? Some of you would probably think, what's the catch? That's exactly what I want to talk about in this video. So today we're going to talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly of free patterns and why they might not actually be free. So as kind of an overview, I want to talk about what the reality of a free pattern is. What does free mean? The marketing of it, the appeal of it, kind of the psychology of it, and how a free pattern can actually cost you your time, your money, your patience, your sanity, and all the rest. So why do free patterns exist? Well, it's the bait. It gets you to come and see, oh, this pattern's free. I'm interested to hear that. I'm at least willing to investigate. There's a lot of companies that offer quilt patterns that are free. And are they good patterns? Yes, there's a lot of them that are. Are they awesome patterns? There are some. The more investment you put into something, your time, your money, your attention, the more that thing costs. To offer something that is truly free is either going to mean that there's not going to be much to it, much substance to it, or there's not going to be support if there's a problem, or the quality control has not been put into this product in order to ensure that everything's going to run smoothly for you as you go along. Like, for example, were the company that designed this pattern to offer it as a free pattern, it would probably be because it was the byproduct of some other product. They're making this quilt kit, and the whole thing has been done to sell this particular kit. As a byproduct, they can offer the free pattern. If you buy the kit, you're gonna get the whole kit and caboodle, as they say, whatever a caboodle is. We'll post it on our website as a free pattern, and there you go. Now, that's the end of that company's involvement with that pattern. It's going to stay on their website in their archive. Being that Sew Yeah has an extensive list of free patterns, you might be wondering, oh, well, are those even worth clicking on? That's what I want to get into in the next portion of this video. The reality of Sew Yeah's free patterns. They are trying to sell you something. I know, shock, right? The purpose of having them there is to draw you to Sew Yeah's website. Because then if you're there, you'll see the pattern, download it, make a quilt, use some of your stash, great. Either you're gonna use up your stash and then need more fabric, or you're gonna be inspired by one of the patterns and want to make a quilt, which will then require fabric. And you know what? We hope that you would shop at your favorite local online quilt store. As we're, I'm sure how many team members behind us. That's the reality. Everything here, which you can see around me, is for sale. Sew Yeah is a retail business. That's how it works. However, at Sew Yeah, we want to offer you quality products, be they paid for or be they free. All of the patterns on our website are the byproduct of Sew Yeah's YouTube tutorials, which at that point in time was kind of our marketing campaign. Quilters love to watch videos of people quilting. And so you click on the video, see the technique that's being done, learn a new concept, see a new pretty fabric, what have you, and then, oh wait, click the link in the description below, and there's a free pattern to make this exact quilt. There's been a lot that's gone into producing those tutorials, an extensive amount of filming and editing and trial and error and pattern testing and retesting, because we do want to have a seamless final product to offer you as part of the Sew Yeah brand. So any pattern that you get from Sew Yeah is going to be one that has been rigorously tested, and will hopefully 99.99999% of the time is not going to have any issues, because we've already made those mistakes in the filming of those videos, and we can then offer it to you as a solid quilt pattern that is very user friendly. Every now and then there's one that sneaks through the cracks. There's an issue that was missed. So that is kind of the behind the scenes of what goes into that free pattern. And particularly with Sew Yeah, those video tutorials are meant to drive people to our website. The free patterns is another link, another hook to entice you to the website. This video is a hook to entice you to the website. So how do you know if a free pattern is worth using or not? The number one indicator is that it comes from Sew Yeah Quilting. But if for some reason it doesn't, then what you need to do is look for the following things. First off, a video tutorial. If they have produced a video with that pattern, then they've already hit the road bumps that exist in the pattern and have hopefully made the edit. So video tutorial would probably be the main thing, because that's going to work out the bugs in real time. Beyond that, if it's from a major manufacturer, that should be a good indicator. Every now and then we find things as we're kitting things in-house, our own in-house kits of that, because the kit doesn't exist, for example. And sometimes we will find that, oh no, there's an error in this pattern, even from a major manufacturer, and we have to adjust our kits accordingly. Oh, also, if it is an old pattern, it very well may be a totally great pattern. I would probably just kind of work things out in my head, or like stretch your fabric out and like make sure it's gonna fit before you do the cutting. You know, do the math, make sure, because you're gonna cut that fabric and you can't uncut it once it's done. So now I'd like to transition and talk about paid patterns and, you know, why they exist, kind of the economics of things. There is a lot that goes into a pattern, be it free or paid for, and that's why, you know, there are paid patterns. You have got the idea generation. Somebody's got to think up, you know, what this pattern's going to be, make it unique, make it original, have it be something different than all the other patterns out there. And then it has to be designed. The math has to be done, the calculations figured out, and all of that worked through to get a rough draft of the pattern. It should be proofed. It should be actually cut and sewn together so that you can work out any errors that were missed in the calculation of the overall project. That has to go from start to finish. You all know how long it takes to make a quilt, and the more pieces you have, the more complex the design, the more work that goes into it, the more time, the more potential for error, because every single piece is a calculation. Every single seam has to be accounted for. And at that point you have a finished pattern. What do you do with it? Well, it has to be marketed. It has to be distributed. There's a printing cost. There is a transportation cost. There's a shipping cost. We'll just use this one as an example. When you see, boom, here's the finished product, be it a pattern, be it a kit, be it anything else. It took all of those different steps to produce this pattern. And the pattern, it's only gonna cost you 12 bucks after all of that has been done. That's the reality of it. And if it sells when it comes out, then margins will be met. If it doesn't, not even because there's anything wrong with it. It might be an absolutely stellar pattern, very easy to understand, well written, all the calculations done, but for one reason or another, it wasn't popular. I hope that in going through this, you're able to see, wow, there's actually a lot behind that free pattern, or that free anything that I'm being offered. You go to Sam's Club, you go to Costco, they have free samples. There's a reason for that free sample, and I believe it's a really good reason, because it's what allows any industry to grow and to thrive, which is what we're here for, right? Is to enjoy this wonderful hobby. So now, in summary, we're gonna get real cozy, have a little heart to heart. Yes, free patterns are a real thing. Yes, there are some very high quality ones out there. And yes, there's also can be strings attached, or just a lack of quality. And I've mentioned how to be mindful of that. Right here, we have the Merry Manor Metallic Charm Pack. We also have Merry Manor Metallic Jelly Roll. There's a layer kick up there. I'm not going to stand up to get it. And this is J. Wicker Frisch, one of my favorite designers. The Tannenbaum Patch Tree Kit. You know, there's a pattern in there. So there are patterns for layer cakes, jelly rolls, charm packs, free patterns for layer cakes, jelly rolls, and charm packs on Sew Yeah's website. And the next time that you are there, I hope this video will cross your mind and think, there's actually a lot more that goes into offering all of these awesome free patterns, which, you know, link in the description below. And if you like Christmas fabric, you know, this is an absolutely beautiful line, which is also available on our website. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with a friend who you think would enjoy it, and or subscribe to the channel. All of those things are more things that are free to do, and they also help Sew Yeah continue to progress, reach more people, and provide quality products and services to those in this wonderful community of ours. My name is Zach, and I will see you next time.